We are at IIP Hyderabad 15th anniversary. We have the joint director of IIP Hyderabad, Dr. Gaurav Madhuji. Sir, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल सर.
Thank you.
आपने जो पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन जब से आपने चार्ज लिया है, हाउ यू फेयर्ड इट, बिकॉज वी कैन सी इट्स अ वंडरफुल कैंपस हियर.
Actually, packaging is everywhere. We cannot avoid packaging, And if the products are to be exported, then UN certification is a must. And IIP is the apex body to provide the UN certification. So therefore, in the pandemic situation also, when the lockdown was there, then the government of India told that whatever the essential services are there, we have to follow that and we have to serve those industries. So following all the precautions and preventive measures taken, me and my team, some of my teammates were coming and doing the testing, keeping all the precautions as per the directives laid down by the government of India, and then we served the industry well. Yes, of course, the teaching was not there. For teaching, we developed again the webcams, and then developed some interactive classrooms for online classes, and then we completed the course also during the pandemic period. So I hope we delivered our best up to the expectations of the parents and up to the expectation of the industries as well.
During this pandemic scenario, you have done a fared very well. What was the kind of support you had been getting and what was the struggles you faced?
Yeah, we were getting support from the state government and the central government as well, and also we were getting support from our director, Dr. Tanveer Alam. And then yes, challenges were there. People were not ready to come. People were they were very, very reluctant. They were frightened altogether because of the pandemic. But yes, of course, the industries are there who have to make the business, who have to run the show, and who have to export them. And lot of these articles which are helpful in preventing the COVID, those were also being exported during the COVID time. So therefore, those were very much needed to reach to the the countries who do not have that kind of facilities. So as per the vision of our PM, that India is a country who can serve the world. So therefore, for that we did a very small a work in that and helped in that, so that the exports must not stop. So therefore, we were coming here, we were serving the industry, and we were taking the necessary precautions as well.
Here we are on the eve of 15th anniversary of IIP Hyderabad. Could you tell us more about the celebrations and the reasons?
Yeah, because many people have an emotional attachment also with the IIP Hyderabad Center, especially because it was started in 2006, way back. Then with the help of state government, central government, as well as the industries persons. So this small center was started in a very humble way. Then sanction of building came later, and then in 2011 the PGTP course was started here. Since then the local industries of Telangana, of Andhra Pradesh, and our neighboring states have a very good connection with the IIP, because we believe in serving our customers satisfactorily and excellently, so that whatever the objectives given by the government of India to Indian Institute of Packaging, we must fulfill those.
When can they have the new batches starting in IIP Hyderabad as well as in JNTUH? And could you tell us more about the MOU as well?
This MOU is done for the recognition of the post-graduation diploma course. So as per the prospectus of 37th batch, so they will be getting recognition from JNTUH and the new batch, of course. And then as per stated by our director sir, that we are also planning to start a new MSc or MS in packaging, which will be starting, of course it depends on the infrastructure facilities first. Then we have a plan to start in the next financial year, that is maybe in 2023-24.
And what about this year, 2021? Any new batches yet to start, or they have already started the academic year?
Yes. Already we have launched the prospectus. We have floated in our website, as well as it is been uploaded in the website of JNTUH also. So 37th batch, for 37th batch, the last date of applying is 11th June, and the date of entrance test, the entrance test will be held on 18th of June. And the new batch, that means the semester, will begin in maybe the last week of July or first week of August 2021.
Thank you so very much for your time, sir.